You ready?
This is Jack doing his tricks Rob taught him.
Jack, lay down. Over. Jack, speaking. Jack, around. Jack, around. Good boy. Sit. Down. Over. Good boy. Good boy.
Now make him speak.
Jack. Jack, speak.
Loud.
Speak. Speak. Oh, he's getting confused. Good boy. Good boy.
Make him speak really loud.
Jack, speak. Speak. Speak.
Okay, Rob, you don't have to bark. Give the treat to the dog. Yay, Jack!
You tried. Down, down, down. Over, over, over. Good boy.
There's the amazing Jack.
Hey. Good boy.
The amazing Jack. He wants to do shake a paw.
I'm not. Sit. Sit. Shake a paw. Good boy. Good boy.
One more over.
Jack, down. Down. Over.
Good boy, Jack. I'm so proud of you. Good boy, Jack. Say good night, Jack.
Good night, Jack. Good night, bub.
See? It's dark out. Say good night, Max.
Good night, Max.
Say good night, Haunches. He's already sleeping. Jack caught Max in the street. There goes Max to get his treat. Haunches is sleeping. Are you sleeping? Or are you going to talk for the camera now? You going to talk for the camera? You going to talk for the camera, Haunch? Haunches.
Speak. 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 Come on, speak. 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 Good boy.
Good boy, Jack. The amazing Jack. 30 seconds left in recording. We'll pan over and say everybody's going to bed. Blaze is in bed, right, Haunch? And good night, everybody.